This is a required weekly test of the emergency alert system.
We're mostly sunny. This is a test of the National Weather Service Hazardous Weather Warning System. You can hear warnings direct from the National Weather Service over the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard System. Tests of this warning system on NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards are made each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there's a possibility of severe weather, tests will be delayed until the next good weather day. The NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard System is equipped with a warning service called SAME. This is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. SAME allows people with special receivers to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, radio, and television stations. It's been a test, and at the end of this test, regular programming will resume.